How to fix login error in the first Descendant? So first of all, you need to check server status. Verify if the first Descendant's server are operational. Sometimes server issues can cause login problems. You need to check official announcement or social media channels for update. Restart the game and platform, close the game completely and restart your PlayStation console or PC. This simple step often resolves minor login issues. Next step is verify your credentials. Double check your login credentials, username and password. Ensure that they are correct and properly entered. Clear cache and cookies. If you are using or playing on PC, clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes cached data can interfere with the login processes. At the end, if the problem persists, reach out the first Descendants customer support for the further assistance. So that's the way of how you can fix login error in the first Descendant.